FitLab PGH is back with a movement tip and lifestyle hack with the Labradors in the woods on a warm summer day. Today's tip is listen to your body. Everything that you do in life is a stressor. Some of it is eustress or good stress. Some of it is distress. I'm taking it a little bit slower this week because I just had the second shingles vaccine. And if you read all the warnings, what they tell you is you may feel like you have a low-grade fever. You may have some muscle aches and pains. And I experienced that the first time, I'm experiencing that the second time. So rather than pushing through and enjoying the warm weather and trying to get a little more fitness in, I'm listening to my body so I don't give myself too much stress where I can't recover. So know what you're doing, recognize that sometimes there are things that require you to slow down or take it easy. And even though movement is important, overall quality of life and health is even more important. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from the Labradors at FitLab PGH.